Those looking to lose weight and stay on track by eating healthy food but don't know where to start. Then this is the video all you are going to need. In today's video, I'll show how you can create your custom meal plan with a custom ketogenic meal planner, and we'll discuss the benefits of lazy keto recipes. So, make sure to watch the video till the end because, by the end of the video, you will be able to make your own healthy custom keto plan. Lucky for you, a custom ketogenic meal planner can be a lifesaver if you want to eat healthily. A custom ketogenic meal planner does just what it sounds like. It considers dietary preferences, food allergies, specific nutritional needs, or anything else relevant to you and your situation. You can also choose your desired calorie intake and have the meal planner generate a custom keto meal plan for you. The planner can be customized to suit your preferences on everything from breakfast choices to dinner selections. No, it's not over yet. We have another plan for you: lazy keto recipes. Lazy keto recipes are perfect for anyone looking to eat low carb but who don't want to spend all their time in the kitchen. They are made to be healthy, save time, and taste great. These recipes can be made quickly and simply, requiring only a few ingredients. The key to the success of these recipes is that it is somewhere around 20 grams for the day. These custom meal plans are a great way to maintain a healthy lifestyle while putting in minimal effort. Ruled Me is worth mentioning here. It is a website where you will find various custom meal plans, healthy diet tips, and get inspired by the success stories. So what are you waiting for? Take a look at Ruled Me to prepare your custom keto plan. I know, just like other people, you have a few questions in your mind. Don't worry. I will answer a few of them. What is the difference between a ketogenic diet and a low-carb diet? How does the ketogenic diet work? It has been used for many years as an effective treatment for epilepsy. What is a custom ketogenic meal planner? A custom ketogenic meal planner is a service that will provide you with a customized menu of meals to meet your weight loss goals. The meals are designed to be low carb and high fat. The custom meal plan is an excellent way to lose weight because it causes the body to enter into a state of ketosis, which burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. What are the benefits of lazy keto for your body? Lazy keto is a diet that is not as strict as traditional keto. This diet does not have the same rules and restrictions, but it still has the positive effects of ketosis. It is a great way to get into ketosis without having to give up your favorite foods. The benefits of lazy keto for your body include weight loss, increased energy levels, lower blood sugar levels, decreased risk of diabetes, and more. Now that you know all about custom ketogenic meal planners and lazy keto recipes, do let me know which thing interests you the most. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel now and turn on the notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to visit bit.ly/3october3mj to get your custom keto plan and share it with us in the comment section below.